جناب یعقوب زاکی از کشور نیجریه 3 تا پسرشون رو بوکو حرام، این حرامیان تکفیری، به شهادت رسوندن. مثال روح فرزندان ارجمندشون صلوات بفرستید.
I was fortunate to come here during the past anniversary of the victory of the Islamic Republic. That was in 1980, and this 22nd of Bahman, which coincided with 11th February of that year. The first time I came, and at that time also we had the opportunity to come here to visit Imam Rida alayhi salam. Of course, we had little knowledge about Imam Rida. We only came to the shrine and saw how people gather a lot, and how beautiful was then. Of course, it was not as beautiful as it is now. And subsequently, I came to Iran several times for visit and seminars and conferences, and sometimes short courses. And each time coming to Iran will have never been completed without visiting Imam Rida. Imam Rida, even though is well known here, and he came here as a stranger, and he was nicknamed Garib Lus, and even nicknamed Garib al-Ghuraba, among the strangers. But Imam Rida has attracted lovers and devotees from all over the world, to the extent that he is now among all the A'immah, Isna Ashar, and even the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is the only one who is living among those who love him. And every year, millions of people come to visit him. Imam Rida became known generally in the world.